When I find a sun hat that fits, I wear it to destruction. Well, the end is nigh, my friends. Or is it? Inspiration struck last year at the local fibre festival. Meet Kate and her gorgeous hat.
So, behold my hat.
It is a beautiful hat.
It is. It's like 30 years old and I want to save it. So it's kind of a mess in here, but I'm kind of looping between each kind of gap. Yeah, and so I'm kind of making it up as I go along.
I am inspired. So I choose some linen thrums. That's the yarn left over from weaving projects. And get darning. Darning. Oh, darning. I am not loving this. It should be so simple, but following the path of the missing straw is an exercise in frustration. Too quickly, the summer is over, along with my motivation for this project. A new summer, a new record-breaking heat wave. No new hat. Hello, old friend. Let's find a quicker way to patch you up. Patch. Now there is a happy little thought. A hole in clothing can be darned or patched. But can one patch a hat? Again, I'm working with linen because it is highly resistant to sun rot. The indigo is going on the outside because I read somewhere that the natural dye gives additional protection against the sun. I didn't expect that to work. I am so happy it did. There are a few more places in need of patching, but for now, I'm just going to get some gardening done.